how to rename a Bluetooth device on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on connections. Then tap on Bluetooth. And from here, tap on the settings icon right next to your Bluetooth device. And then we go down and tap on rename. And in here, we can rename it. So you can rename it to whatever you want. So I want to rename it to IT Django's. And then close the bracket and then tap on rename. And that's it. We have now successfully renamed the Bluetooth device on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.